Alright, so I got all my AEGs out. They all got like different specs to them. I just want to do like a trigger response test through all of them. And I got 2 DSGs up here. Then all 3 of these right here are SSGs, single sector gear, and double sector gear. So I'm gonna start with this one first. Plug this battery up. Oh, this is the battery I'm using for all the guns. I'm gonna use the same battery. All right, this is semi-auto. I got a 38 TPA motor. Next gun, AK. This has a 28 TPA motor, and this one does too. All right, this is how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. I haven't shot this in a while, but yeah, 28 TPA motor. Next one has a 22, but get the full on this one. All right, now I'm at the P90. The reason why this one sounds kind of loud, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up all the way. It's shooting 400 FPS and a little bit more. I think it's an M130 spring or M40, M140. I can't remember which one it was, but sounds pretty good. Next gun, I gotta take that amplifier off. It's gonna be kind of loud, I think. All right, gotta get it off of safety. And take that amplifier off. I'm holding it up is way better than fire, but I think this has the best trigger response. Yeah, I think it does. I think I said this was a 22. This is actually a 16 TPA SHS motor. It used to be in there, but I switched it out for some reasons. That's 50 RPS. I think this one is something close to it. And now I'm going to the last gun. Okay, some safety right now. The reason why it sounds so quiet is because I have a stock spring in there, and it's a DSG, so it's gonna half stroke it, so it's really like 100 FPS right now. But that's the only reason why I'm doing that, because the crack in the gearbox, I ain't want to make it any better. I mean worse than what it is now. 20. This is ZCI high torque motor. I think that's 22 TPA. Yeah, that's what it is. And this is these both are 12. No, not 12. 1801 DSGs. That's how the full auto sound. But it sounds way different on it sounds more so like this one, but faster when I have the right stuff in there. Because I used to have an M160 spring in there, but not anymore. But I think that's pretty much it. I think my favorite one out of this was probably this one, since I don't use this one much. Or no, probably this one, since the same thing, but it's strong too. And it's pulling that heavy spring with that strong motor as well, and they just match up perfectly. And this is a good battery too for them. But that's pretty much it.